I'm sorry, but we have given you enough chances. You have been committing the same mistake again and again.
But sir,
No buts. You are fired. Please leave.
Andrea, please be careful. I can see with the wrong people these days.
ma'am, my school days are over, so stop lecturing me.
As your past teacher, I thought I should caution you, but it's your life.
Andrea, I'm done. I've told you so often to leave your smoking habit. But
Regan, I'll try.
I've been hearing this for the past 3 years. It's enough. Let's finish this.
A little of love, a little of hope, living life with a smile every day. A little of fun, a little of grace, aiming high for the sky come what may. Have no fear, I'm always near, says the Lord. I'll be the way. A little of love, a little of hope, living life with a smile every day.
Isn't that Andrea?
ते आनी कितें करता हांगासर?
Andrea, तू हांगा कितें कोत्ता?
Is everything okay?
Let's move out from here. Are you crazy? Were you seriously intending to end your life?
कितें तरी म्हूण गो. Open up at least to your close friends, yeah.
Open up and then everything sorted? You people think it's so easy? At least try. तुम्ही केन्नाच सोजमोची नात.
Andrea! I wonder what she has done today.
Steve, I'll stay.
Okay. I'll come to pick you up at 4. भिये नाका तूं. स्विनी रावतलें. हांव सांजे येतां.
Thank you, Baba. This has been her story for days now. But today, her decision to end
स्टीव आयलोसो दिसता.
How is she?
Silent.
A little something for you. Open it. It's a sketch. I did it specially for you. The sinful woman at the feet of Jesus.
A lot was going on in her life too. Life wasn't treating her well. But she never gives up. Instead of running away from life, she wanted it back. She decides to open up, and she does, at the feet of Jesus. It surely must have been difficult, but she makes her choice.
Andrea, Sweeney, your mom, myself, we are all here for you. You don't need to suffocate. Sweeney, shall we?
Don't worry, we will come back tomorrow. Take care, Andrea.
Bye, Sweeney. Baba, Steve. Thank you so very much. May God bless you both.
Don't worry.
Wait! Help me to get to the feet of Jesus.
The way is inspired by the early Christians who were called the followers of the way. They seemed different, and rightly so they were, because they followed the way that Christ Himself lived. We are all called to follow the same path, but sometimes we get lost. Or maybe we fall, get bruised. Or maybe I'm good, but it is the other who distracts us. Nonetheless, we need to get back, and that is exactly what this web series does. It helps us to get back on the way. This web series is a painstaking effort of young minds who have come together. They aren't qualified media professionals, yet they have put their best foot forward to make sure they come up with something beautiful, and they can all be proud of it. I hope you like it, and do wait in anticipation for the rest of the episodes also. Till then, let's walk the way. A little of love, a little of hope, living life with a smile every day. A little of fun, a little of grace, aiming high for the sky.